Let's find out how to create a traditional Japanese Genkan entrance in the Home Planner app. Click Create 3D Design in the Create menu. Choose the room type hallway. I'll pick a basic template from the Plan submenu. Then I'll quickly adjust the room to make it small and cozy. Here it is. Now we'll add a construction to raise the floor level. Click Add Furniture, Build Constructions. Choose a basic cube construction and drag it onto the floor of the room. Click Open 2D Plan and move the cube into the corner. Then click the size icon and set the dimensions of our Genkan platform. Switch back to the 3D view to check how it looks. Now select the construction, click the color icon, and choose a material from the menu. I'll also recolor the lower floor area with tiles since this is an entrance space. Next, we should adjust the height of the platform. Click it, tap the size icon, open the dimensions field, and set the height in the furniture size window, for example, 15 centimeters. Simple and effective. Now the space is ready for furniture arrangement and decoration.